So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your Telegram web is consuming a lot of data for you. Now, in order to fix that, just simply open the Telegram web application. Go to the settings of Telegram web. Now, this will open something like this. You can easily find the settings on the top left corner. Now here, simply click on this option of data and storage. Once you go over there, make sure that all of that on this list everything is unchecked. So you just simply need to uncheck all of that. What it does, it simply disable the auto downloads of media, all the media that you receive, because in the background it simply starts downloading that media files, and you'll notice that your Telegram is consuming a lot of data. So but just by tweaking these settings, you'll notice that the issue have been fixed. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.